Okay, always do recording on the first test because two reasons. Number one, there's always a chance of flames, and that's the best thing to get on video. Number two, it may work first try and you'll never get to work again. All right, so here we go. There we go. See my really cool little drive shaft there. And what have I got this? I've got the meter set on 10 volts and I've got 1 volt going. Oh, this is my generator. Yeah, see how I've got my 3-phase down here, and this is the motor going here. Got it set up for 12 volts. And we're gonna crank this puppy up. Look at that, 3 volts, 4 volts. Oh, it's scary. 5 volts, 6 volts, look at that, folks. Halfway to perpetual motion. Ah, yeah, right. All right, that's enough. It's too scary. Okay, I already broke my first rule. Always video the test, but it was successful. Can you see it? That's what you're looking at. I don't know what I can get away with. I've got a 100 ohm resistor, so that should offset. Tell you what, let's get real creative here. See what we can do. Which way do I have this? That way. Okay. Yeah, get in there. Nothing. Yeah, that stinks. Let's try this. Did I have it the right way? Inevitably. Yeah, there's a red one. Okay, let's try again. Get in there. Oh, the white one. I think my white one's sucking up all my current. Let's try a green one. See what we get. Yeah, somebody's bogarting that joint. Let's try it without by itself. That's just not a very bright bulb. No daddy ever called you Sonny. Get in there. We have liftoff. All right. Well, what was I up at? 9 volts? .5 volts. Oh my God. I tell you, man, we're on the verge of perpetual motion here, whether you believe me or not.